Okay, Friday, February 6th, 10 a.m. and the snow is beginning, and I am slipping out of work here. Well, here we are in 66, and it is snowing, but it's not sticking yet. And I'm not the only one headed for home in the middle of the day, obviously. Still coming down. It's 11:08, and still coming down here. Not real heavy. I've seen worse. Okay, sticking here in the driveway. Got ourselves a fraction of an inch, covering up the car in the driveway, and the cat. Hello, cat. How you doing, buddy? Okay, 11 o'clock. Let's get a scrape of the snow here. There we go. We got ourselves a little clear spot. 11 o'clock. Okay, 4:15, and we have snow. Now, to be fair, part of that's old snow. Still coming down. It's not that much accumulation, Tiff. What's that, a couple inches? I call that a couple inches. 4:28. We just did this stripe up the driveway. So I did that stripe. I did this stripe first, and it's already filling in, as you can see. And I just moments ago did this stripe. Okay, we got 7:30 at night. It is still coming down. Let's see how much is falling in this little spot here that I keep clearing off. Oh yeah, we got us a few inches. What do you like, 4 inches? Since I cleared it off last time. $7:30 at night. Cleared another spot. Cleared this slice again. Check it in a few hours. Okay, 11 o'clock. Still coming down. And it's looking more serious. My little stripe, here it is since last time. Yeah. What's that? 4 more inches since last time. Ugh. Hard to film and shovel. Not gonna win any Emmys either. It's beginning to look a little serious. Is that a foot? What do you think? Yeah, you know what? Shoveling out in the morning, gonna be a bitch. I'll see how that goes. I'll have the kids tell me how it went after I make them do it. Getting some wind out there. Shouldn't be snow on my... Okay. Still coming down. Alright, let's see what we got. 2 in the morning here. Oh my God. Yep. Yeah, I'm not doing this one-handed. I'll be back. Now this is just mean snow. This is like ice particles. I can hear it on my jacket. And what do we got? I'll call that 14 inches. Yep. There's our front walk, 2 in the morning. And it is time for bed. Tiffany's still working. But I'm going to bed. She has a proposal due Monday. There we go. Oh, let's see what it looks like in the morning. Alright, here it is, 7:30 in the morning, and it is still coming down. What was it, 2 in the morning? So it's been 5 hours. That's slowing down, the accumulation looks like. Another 3 or 4 inches. Not too bad. I'm encouraged. Yeah, this could definitely be worse. Last few hours. Let's go see what our driveway looks like. Alrighty. Yeah, you know what? We are not going anywhere today. Nope. Alrighty. Here's the 7:30 report. That's ironic. The snow shovel's disappearing under the snow. There's your 7:30 report, weather fans. Let you know how it's going here in a couple hours.
Well, first matter of business. Goes up to my knees. Is it cold?
Was that worth it, Connor?
It's incredibly warm. Oh.
Come on, Fletch. Walk over there where there's snow, where I did not walk yet. Put your hood up, buddy, so your hair doesn't get wet. Run, Fletcher, run. Run faster.
Grace, I want to see you.
Run, Fletcher, run. It's after you, Fletcher. The alien's right behind you.
I'll win.
Wow. That's thigh deep. Incredible. And it's still coming down. Yeah, it's knee deep on me. 10:33 in the morning on Saturday. How's it going, Connor?
Good. This does look like a whiteout.
It is, this qualifies as a blizzard, but I'm looking at 1.5 feet on the road. Fletcher, walk in the deep snow for me. Give the full effect. There it is. Just walk, would you? There you go. Definitely not plowed. Welcome, gentlemen, to Twin Lakes Drive. The boys are trying to make it next door. Good luck, lads. I'm gonna go play next door. Okay, it's about 2 o'clock. Let's see what we got. It is still falling. What's that? 27 hours of constant snowfall at this point. Yeah, here's my clear spot. And what do we got? A few more inches since, was it 11 was the last time? Good Lord. It's fluffy now. It's not the angry ice particles. It's happy fluffy snow. So there you have it. At 2 o'clock. It's like 1/4 of. Now these are our footprints from when Connor and Fletcher and I went out to the road a couple hours ago. We are still getting some serious accumulation here. This is something. I think this is worst blizzard I've ever seen in Virginia, and I've lived here 16 years, so you heard it here first. Now there's the snow shovel. That's pretty funny. Alrighty, here's 2 o'clock. I'll come and check it again when it's all done, I hope.